Welcome to AuditOne's comprehensive report on Aurora's Fast Bridge smart contracts. We completed a detailed audit of Aurora's Labs Fast Bridge, a key solution for near Ethereum token transfers. Aurora Labs is the development company behind Aurora, the EVM blockchain that runs on the Near protocol. Our audit, conducted in spring 2023, utilized manual analysis to ensure thorough evaluation. The audit concluded with the following stats: a 100% security score, 98% code quality, and 98% documentation quality. Let's briefly review the auditor's findings. Resolved block reorgs that risked invalidating transactions. Addressed race conditions in token release and proof verification. Prevented potential draining of funds by multiple withdrawals. Eliminated the risk of malicious double unlocking of funds. Fixed event message errors preventing data loss. Resolved Redis DB connection issues to prevent fund loss. Enhanced fast bridge service with valid till block height validation. Ensured lock time min and max are correctly compared in the code. Corrected token Ethereum and recipient field validations. AuditOne's resolutions enhance the operational security and efficiency of Aurora's fast bridge smart contracts. AuditOne remains dedicated to elevating blockchain security. Discover the full details in our comprehensive report. For more information, visit our website or follow us on social media. AuditOne, your trusted partner in blockchain security.